Good morning, Be. Gubad na ang aking asawa, guys. Maliligo na siya. Kagising lang niya. We have 20 minutes. Narinig niya yung alarm niya, pero inoff niya daw. Napansin ko lang, tapos na ako mag-skincare. Sabi ko, babe, anong oras yung appointment natin? Check yung oras. 20 minutes na lang. Pero mabilis lang naman yun siya. After niya maligo, bihis lang agad. Ready na yung susuotin niya. Ako, after ko mag-kilay, blush ng konti. Alam niyo ba, ang blurry-blurry nyo na. Ang lapit lang ng camera. Like yan. Nag-touch ko yung camera. Pero, as in, blurry na talaga. Hindi ko na makita yung mata ko. Papacheck ko siguro ulit yung mata ko. Kailang naman siguro, no? Pacheck lang naman. Hindi naman ako operahan. Kasi baka kailangan ko ng bagong glasses. Okay na ba yan? Baka hindi ko lang nakikita ng maayos ba? Tapos pangit pala yung pagkalagay ko ng brows. Okay lang yan eh. Lagyan natin itong guinea brow. Konti. Yung lip tint na gagamitin ko is yung nasa bag ko lang. Palit tayo ng buhok. Okay. June 8:45. So, mamayang 8:45 yung ano namin, guys. Appointment namin. Okay lang kami umalis ng quarter past because malapit lang naman yung OB. For sure, maaga na naman kami dun. Pero okay lang maaga kaysa late. Kumusta ka na dyan, baba? Ang galaw-galaw niya kagabi. Pinaano ko kay Dan. Pinalagay ko lang kay Dan yung kamay niya dito. And na-feel niya si baby na maraming beses. Kasi yung last time na-feel niya isang beses lang eh. Tapos after that, pinapalagay ko sa kanya kapag na-feel ko. Tapos hindi niya na-feel. Hindi pa siguro siya like strong enough para ma-feel ng outside. Outside. Pero kagabi, na-feel ni Dan maraming beses. Siguro 3 or 4 na movement yung na-feel niya sa kamay niya. Pinalagay ko dito sa baba dito. Ikaw na talaga, baby. Good job talaga itong aking baby. Dito na kami. Guess what? Alam.
What's that?
We are 18 minutes early.
Good. 18?
Is it 18?
13.
Oh, 13, sorry. 13 minutes early. How are you feeling, my love?
Good.
Did my stepping over you last night worked?
Hopefully.
Right?
I feel good. I feel good.
You feel good?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Do you know what we're doing today with the OB?
Got no idea.
Nothing.
I got no idea.
Yeah, so kikitain lang namin siya. And then sasabihin niya sa amin yung mga bagay-bagay. Oh, I need to get my whooping cough, but not now. I think I will get my whooping cough injection.
What cough?
Whooping cough.
Whooping?
Yeah.
Hooping.
Whooping.
Hooping cough.
It's W-H-O-O.
I think the W silent, babe.
Is it W or H?
It's hooping cough.
Whooping, whooping.
Not whooping, hooping.
Let's look it up. Whooping cough. Is it whooping cough? Do you know that it's spelled like that?
Whooping cough.
Why did you laugh, my love? I learned that in college. So you're telling me that they taught us wrong. Whooping, how to pronounce. Paano i-pronounce, guys? How to pronounce? Whooping.
How old is hooping?
Whooping. Oh my gosh, I've been pronouncing it wrong the whole time. Whooping cough.
Whooping cough starts with most kids like a cough.
What did you say? Ano going wala?
Whooping cough starts with most
See?
kids
He
like
said
a common
whooping.
cold. The baby
No, she said hooping.
No, she said whooping. Whooping cough. Anyway. Aww. Poor baby. Let's check other pronunciation. Whooping, babe. You're right.
Whooping cough.
See? Whooping.
That's a bloody
What?
robots that said that.
Still.
Whooping cough.
Whooping and whooping. I think it's
Whooping.
depends upon your
Cough.
country.
Whooping
Depends upon
cough.
Here it's called whooping cough, not whooping cough.
I will have that, I think 35 weeks yung naalala ko sabi ng OB ko. So not now. Ano bang itatanong natin sa kanya ngayon, babe? What are we gonna ask her?
No questions.
No questions, no? She will check the baby again and the heart rate and all that. Ano pa kaya? Wala ka na ba you don't have any questions? Hala, babe! Ano ba? Ay, naku, Danny boy.
It's that bloody lid.
Are you okay?
That's right.
Oh, that's so cute. And it looks about right where it should be too.
Yeah.
It grows
Right.
from the bottom up,
Yep.
and so around 20-24 weeks should be at your belly button, which
Okay.
is just exactly where it is.
Ah, yeah.
So from now on we measure you,
Okay.
alright? So from the top of the uterus to the top of that pubic bone there.
Yep.
And believe it or not, corresponds approximately to how many weeks pregnant you are.
Ah.
Now I find this absolutely bizarre. I don't know who thought of it or where it came from,
But it's accurate?
but it's reasonably accurate. So it's another guide to go by. I mean, it's all the same noise, but this is much clearer. This is beautiful. So of course that tummy is going to get bigger, I'm afraid.
It's okay, I'm ready.
Good.
Tapos na kami, guys. Wala yung OB ko. May delivery siya. So, yung kinita namin is yung aking midwife. And next month, which will be my next visit, wala din yung aking OB kasi ano siya, holiday siya. So, kikitain na naman namin si Liz, ang aking
Is she on holiday?
midwife.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, she went through the scan or the ultrasound that we did last week, and she said that's all good. Everything's fine. Heart rate's good. She pronounced it whooping cough. Did you notice that?
Nope.
I did. So she pronounced it whooping. So I think it really depends.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for the next month, walang ultrasound, walang scan. Pero meron tayong paparating na test na ayaw ng karamihan, yung gestational diabetes na test, guys. So sabi niya ano daw yan, around 26 weeks. So kikitain ko pa muna sila before ko yun gawin. We will go to the post office, check if we have anything in the mail. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You're not yawning today.
I'm tired though, but I'm okay.
You're tired?
Oh my God. I was really tired that day.
Bahay na tayo. Hindi na bumaba si Dan. He's got another busy day, guys. Mamaya imimit niya yung ano namin, builder. Parang sure na kami na siya talaga yung magiging builder ng bahay. Pero wala pa kaming code sa kanya. So, kailangan pa kasi tapusin yung plano before sila makabigay ng code, of course, diba? I-meet niya mamaya, 1:30. Bakit parang tabingi kayo? Tapos, parang pupunta ata silang dalawa dito. Kasi pupunta lang sila sa lote. And wala namang mauupuan dun. So sabi ni Dan, baka pumunta kami dito. So I need to tidy up the house. And para ma-meet ko din yung builder. And nag-stop kami sa post office. We got a package. Good job, Baba. You're doing really well, Baba. Galing-galing mo, Baba. Meron tayong galing Victoria. Ito. And then ito. Hindi ko alam. Ah! Yay! Akala ko ang tagal pa nito ma-deliver. My tripod! Ito yung tripod ko. Lagi kayong nahuhulog. Oh, ang laki. Ito sa Amazon ko siya nakita. And I think $30 lang to. Ito, umabot ng 70, 80. 69 ba yun or 79? Basta mahal to siya, guys. Nung una, ang ganda-ganda niya kasi yung grip niya, as in nag-grip talaga siya. Ngayon, nagsaslide na kasi siya. After ng Philippines trip namin, medyo nasira na siya ba yung grip. Pero noon, gustong-gusto ko talaga to kasi paglagay ko lang, nag-grip talaga siya, kumakapit talaga siya. Ngayon, hindi na. Ito yung Manfrotto. And yung maganda dito is na-extend And it lasted me a while naman. So, nirecommend ko siya sa kapatid ko. Si Miss, pinabili ko, ito yung maganda. Pero yung sa kanya, nung pagbili niya talaga, yung grip, hindi na talaga ganun kaganda. So, hindi lahat ng item maganda sa Manfrotto na ganito. So, ito, mas mura, mas maliit, pero na-extend mo siya, guys. Tingnan natin. Ang gaan-gaan niya lang. Ang liit! This is from ULANZI. Ay, ang galing. Mini extension pole tripod. Ililive ko siya sa baba kung interesado kayo. But look how tiny that is. See? Ayan, ang liit niya lang. Pero na-extend mo siya. And sa review ng mga nabasa ko, nakaka-hold daw siya ng like SLR na camera. And yung akin, hindi naman siya SLR. So, for sure, makaka-hold siya. Yung gamit ko pala na camera is still yung Canon G7X Mark II. Yun yung the best na camera na nagamit ko. For vlogging, ha? Ayan. Oh, cute! Wait, try natin, ha? Ilagay ko kayo. Kasi ngayon, nakapatong kayo sa tubig ko, eh. Ayan, nandun na kayo sa bagong tripod. Ah, cute! Yay! Oy, I'm happy with it! And mas mura siya kay Manfrotto. Tapos, mas maliit din siya kay Manfrotto. Ganda yan. In fairness. Alright, let's open this one. Feeling ko regalo to. Sabi ko kay Dan, gusto mo ba i-open yung regalo kasama ako? Pero sabi niya hindi na kaya. Oh, ang cute. Oh, ang cute ng card. Salamat! That's me! I-display natin yan dun. Ang cute. Salamat! I remember you! Hello! Thank you! Na-meet ko na to siya. Oh my gosh! Hello! Sana nandito si Dan. Guys, 4 tower socks! Ang cute! Hello, thank you! Thank you so much! Oh my gosh, magugustuhan to ni Dan! Meron pang grip yung socks. Ay, ipapakita natin to sa kanya. Well, ipapakita naman talaga natin. Olo! Galing talaga AFL! Oh my God! Hindi ko alam may pink pala sila. Oh my gosh, guys. Promise. Sobrang magugustuhan to ni Dan. Thank you! Oh my gosh, that's one. Hala! Look at that! Ang cute! Oh my goodness. Hala, ang cute nito. Baby, look at your new clothes, Papa. Hala, swerte naman talaga nitong batang to. Uy, hindi ko alam. Meron pala silang pink. Kasi yung port tower, yung colors nila is ganito. Teal, black, and white. Ay, cute. Meron ako nakitang, yung sleep suit para sa baby na as in port tower talaga. Pero yung kulay, ganito yung kulay, guys. Black, white, and teal. Pero gusto ko siyang bilhin galing Bonds. Pero sabi ko maya na kasi nga, di ba, hindi pa ako nagbibili-bili daw. Pero nagbili na pala. Thank you so much. Alright, paglaruan muna natin tong aking tripod kasi hindi siya nag-e-extend ng sobrang haba. Chinek ko lang yung tripod, guys. Hanggang 12 cm lang talaga pala siya. So, tama pala. Ganito siya kahaba. Okay pa rin. Kasi, ganyan. Okay pa rin. Mas mahaba yung Manfrotto. Kapag in-extend ko yung Manfrotto, mas mahaba ba? Parang pare-pareho lang, guys. Parang pare-pareho lang. Guys, hapon na. Kakatapos ko lang i-edit yung aking thumbnail para sa video mamaya. Nagpunta dito yung builder ng ipapatayo naming bahay. And we had a long meeting kasi ang daming tanong ni Danny Boy. But, yeah. Kukuha siya ng quote sa mga bagay-bagay and he'll get back to us. And we will start shopping as well for stuff para may idea kami kung Magkano? Sabi niya, unahin daw yung mga toilet bowl kasi kailangan niyang malaman kung anong klaseng plumbing, fitting, something yung ilalagay sa plano. So, kailangan namin ni Dan unahin yung toilet bowl, sinks, ano pa ba? Ano pa ba nung nasa lista namin? Bathtub, yun. Kasi sabi ng builder, iba-iba daw yung connection niya or yun nga, fitting, something. So, nagpabili ako kay Dan ng chicken. Umalis lang ulit si Dan. After nung meeting namin sa kanya, meron siyang dumating na appointment na grinab niya agad-agad kasi malapit lang dito sa bahay. And sabi niya, pag uwi niya, bilis siya ng chicken para sa akin. Gusto kong magluto ng chicken. Tapos gamitin natin yung binili sa akin na Dan last time. Ay! Kala ko mababasag. Hindi pala ito nababasag. Ayan na naman. Ang dami ko na namang snacks. Hindi ko nakakain. Quick and easy breading mix. Yan yung gagamitin natin mamaya. Chicken wings. Hindi ako nakakasnack ng... Binili ko to sa Asian shop. Itong mga to. Kapag kasi naano ako, gusto ko mag-snack. And kapag may prutas, prutas talaga ako, guys. Meron akong maraming prutas. So, kumain ako ng mandarin kanina. Pero, kain tayo ulit. Guys, akala ko magpa-fried chicken tayo ngayon. Pero, si Dan bumili ng roasted chicken. So, sabi ko, hingin lang ako. Ayan. Ayan yung lunch ko bukas. The rest, nandun na sa plato ni Danny Boy. Dito yung aking sauce. Toyo mansi, nilagyan ko ng konting vinegar at saka chili. And then, coconut water. Kain tayo! Guys, tatakbo si Dan. Pero before siya tumakbo, papakita ko sa kanya yung... Kunin ko lang. Hindi pa niya kasi ito nakita. So, pakita natin sa kanya. Alright, ready?
Ready.
Wait, let me show you first this one. This is kind of like what our room will be like, right?
Yep.
So the closet will be there.
Yep.
But then way bigger than that. That's not for me, but
I don't get any presents around here, so it's nice for someone to send me a present.
whatever.
Is it for me?
Find out.
Find out.
Do you remember that?
I had a feeling.
You had a feeling what? The card is that one. The pregnant.
The miracle one? Oh, the pregnant one?
one.
Did you open that?
I did, yeah. You can read it as well. We've met her before. We met her in Melbourne.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. So this is pretty cool. I had a feeling it was this.
You did?
Yeah, I had a feeling. Just a gut feeling. We'll do this first. So these are really cute. Some Port Power socks. So this is awesome. Thank you very much. Very cute, aren't they, Madam?
Yeah, so cute.
Very cute.
It's got the grip as well. Very nice grip.
Yeah.
And it's long, you know. 2 pairs.
Yeah, let's have a look. Ooh, 2. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah, I love this. This is so cool. So this is a little pink Port Adelaide or Port Power jumpsuit, is it?
And it's actually from the AFL
Yeah.
shop. Yeah.
That's
Do you
got
know that they have this? They have
No,
pink?
I haven't seen. I knew they had pink. I've seen pink.
Oh, okay.
This is actually fantastic. I love this.
I know.
This is really cool.
I know.
Yeah, that's
I
very
knew you
cool.
would love this.
Yeah, this is right down my alley. It is. This is perfect. Thank you. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. At least there's another true Port Power supporter in the family now.
Baby, did you hear that?
Got 1870 on the back as well.
Yeah, same as this one actually. So
How cute are these?
I know!
These are-
Look! Do you know that there's a pea here?
Yeah. I saw the pink.
And it's really soft.
Yeah, these are fantastic.
Yeah.
How cute are these?
Thank you.
Thank you. These are awesome. Aren't they?
They're
Really nice.
good. She'll be wearing this every day.
Do
She's
you know-
got 2.
Do you know the football grand final? It will be the same week as the baby's due.
Really?
If Port makes a grand final,
You're right.
would I be allowed to go to Melbourne that week and fly back on the same day?
This is gonna be a dilemma for him because if Port makes it to the grand final and it's gonna be my
I won't
due
go.
day,
I won't go.
he will go.
I won't go.
You won't go? You will choose the baby?
I'll choose a baby, but it would be disappointing.
Aww.
But that's more important. That's more important. But they're gonna have a good year this year.
Baby, did you hear that?
They're gonna have a good year. I could fly back and fly back in the same day.
You'll never know. You will leave me there on my own.
I'm not gonna leave you. Don't worry. I'm not gonna leave you. Thank you very much for the present. That was an awesome present.
Yeah, thank you.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not gonna leave you. But Christian did text me yesterday
What did he say?
saying,
Bloody Christian!
I was like, talking about it. And
Yeah.
I said, no, I probably can't go.
Aww.
Probably can't go.
Family comes first. Do you know in my Q&A they asked me, would you quit YouTube for the baby? I said, yeah, if Dan tells me that, hey, you're not taking care of the baby properly now, I'll quit YouTube. I will, in a heartbeat. And then you would choose your pork power?
I wouldn't go, I wouldn't close, but it'd be...
Tempting.
It'd be tempting. It would be tempting. It would be tempting.
You'll book it.
I wouldn't book it.
No, you'll book it. It's like, nah, she'll be finished by then.
No.
What if I actually already gave birth and it's the grand final?
I can go.
You will go?
One day.
You'll come back right away?
The next day. I could drive there in the morning, like leave.
Drive?
Leave
Fly?
leave 3 o'clock. Oh, I've had to drive. Say if I didn't book any plane tickets. Leave 3 o'clock in the morning, get there for the grand final, watch a grand
Nah,
final.
that's
and
too
drive.
risky. Nah, you can't drive. That's too long. Dedication!
Yeah, worry about
Number
it.
1 supporter ever!
Yeah.
Ilo guapo.
Thank you. Alright, let me go for some exercise.
Okay, he'll go for a run.
Alright, see you guys.
Bye to the baby.
Bye, baby.
Thank you for being in my vlog today, my love.
Thank you for the presents.
Thank you! I knew that will make you happy. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Bye. Good night.
See you guys.
Bye. Mwah.